Welcome to IT Simplified. Wants to check out global infrastructure map of Microsoft Azure? Let me show you how. Alright, so I'm on infrastructuremap.microsoft.com and this is the global view of different regions in Microsoft Azure infrastructure. So let's look at the Canadian region. In Canada, if you look at, I have two available regions with me. You can go through and read more through this documentation. But if I drill down further, you can see that I have two regions in Canadian boundary. I have the Canada Central and the Canada East. If I go under the Canadian Central region, this is located in Toronto City and it was opened in the year 2016. It has availability zone 3 to be specific for the redundancy purposes. And it also got the paired region, which is going to be Canada East. The idea being that you can still fail over in case something happens to your primary region and still your data will be within the geographical boundary of the country. So this was Canada Central, and if you want to look at the paired region, you can see that Canada East region is in the Quebec City, and it has also got the availability zones, and the cross-region disaster recovery option is also available. It also gives you information about the different compliance and certification attached to this region, because nowadays you cannot have any cloud conversation with your customer without compliance in perspective. So this gives you a nice view of different certification, because as you know that every country has its own compliance and certification requirement. You can also see the US and the regions associated with this. Currently it has 9 available. And you can also go through the European Union, Middle East, China, down under Australia, South Asia, India. Let's look at the Indian regions here. In India, we have 2, and you can see that one is also coming soon. And these we have the Central India, and the paired region for that is South India. And there's also one coming up, which is in South Central India. So if I go and see, this is going to be there in the Hyderabad region. And let's look at the Central India. Now this is located in the city of Pune, and this was opened in the year 2015, and it's also got the availability zone, again 3 zones for redundancy purposes, with cross-region disaster recovery paired region going to be for this one, South India, and it has got a number of certifications attached to it, right? And if you look at South India, this is located in the region of or the city of Chennai. Again, this was opened in the year 2015, and you can see the compliance and the certification attached to this region. Now, if you want to see the product in this specific region, you can go and check this out, because as you know that not all the regions have all the same products. So if you are curious which products pertains to different region, you can go and check that out from here, right? So these are all the different product attached to the Chennai region, because you might be in a situation in which you want to deploy a specific product and then you notice that that product is not available. So it's always a good idea to see what are the products available in that specific region, and then you can make the decision. And if you want to explore and take the virtual tour of the Microsoft Data Center, you can also go and take it from here. You can also further apply the filters. You can apply filters at the regional level. Let me just go and click on the virtual tour of Microsoft Azure Data Center. Here you can navigate through these different icons. As you can see, you can enter the lobby. There are a lot of security applied in all these different regions, so you can go and navigate menu. The navigate menu is on the right side. You can see renewable energy, recycling, how it takes, community initiative, right? So you can go and read through this. I will go back to my global infrastructure map. So this gives you a nice view of different regions which are there in different geographical boundary of the different countries. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.